A man decided to reach a top of a mountain. All other men started shouting, "It's impossible! It's impossible!" Still the man reached the top. How? Because he was deaf and he thought everyone was encouraging him to reach the top. He could reach the top because he could not listen to the voices around. Similarly, as an investor, if you want to create wealth, you need to learn to ignore the voices around. Don't listen to what newspaper headlines have to say about the market. Newspaper headlines can only tell you about yesterday, and your portfolio return is based on tomorrow. I think the worst mistake you can make in stocks is to buy or sell based on current headlines. Don't listen to experts on TV giving you the market predictions. Predicting market is impossible and nobody can do it right consistently. People that think they can predict the short-term movement of the stock market or listen to other people who talk about timing the market, they are making a big mistake. Don't listen to what your friends, relatives and colleagues have to say about the investing. One can never become a smart investor by following what others are doing. Remember, it is wise to be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. The key to success is to discuss your financial goals with financial advisor and stick to right asset allocation and diversification.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.